finding is that many of the practitioners, when we tell them, you know, you do science diplomacy, they say, what's that? And it's actually in their mandate, it's in their practice, but only, as has been said in the beginning, only UNESCO has an actual mandate for science diplomacy in the UN system. The others have an implicit mindset, and they don't even recognize themselves as actors in science diplomacy because they never heard the term, they're not familiar with it. So it also starts with awareness from the top of the multilateral actors to understand that they are actors in science diplomacy, and then they can direct their workforce need and talent development towards filling those gaps.